Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own DIY natural skincare routine at home, which is completely free of chemicals to get you a more healthy, bright and fair skin. So following this skincare routine twice a week or even once a week will keep your skin away from the dirt and pollution and make your skin more bright and fair. So this skincare routine consists of 3 steps. The first step is removal of blackheads. The second step is an amazing scrub that will help you reduce your tan and also helps in anti-aging. And the third step is a magic face mask which gives you instant results. So let's jump right into the video. First, let's get rid of those blackheads. Soak a cotton cloth or a cotton pad in warm water and dampen your nose for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm stressing on warm water because it helps open up the pores. Now take about half a teaspoon of toothpaste. I'm using the Colgate plain toothpaste and not the gel one. Now add half a teaspoon of baking soda, couple of drops of water and mix it all together. Now use a toothbrush and start scrubbing your nose. Now remember to be gentle because the bristles of the brush are doing its job, so you don't have to scrub the crap out of your nose. Do this for about 4 to 5 minutes and wipe it off with lukewarm water. Wow! I can see that my blackheads are all gone and the dirt and impurities that were there in the pores of my nose have all vanished. It's just gone. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and a teaspoon of honey. Again, just dampen your face and neck with lukewarm water before you start scrubbing. I like to start with my cheeks and work my way outwards. Face washes don't penetrate and get inside your pores. You need to scrub your face to remove any debris that are sitting underneath your skin. Coffee is just great for your skin. It helps in anti-aging and kicks the tan out of your face. And honey obviously helps to soften your skin and keeps it plump and soft. Go in circular motions around your eyes and zigzag on your forehead. Always remember to massage it upwards and never ever drag your skin down. Okay, never. You can add a little water if it gets a little too thick. It might get messy, you guys, but trust me, when it comes to your skin, it's worth it. Once you're done massaging for 4 to 5 minutes, wash your face with warm water. Okay, so I washed my face and my skin feels so soft and clear and bright already. Now time for the third step, face pack. Coming to the last step, this mask is like a magic potion to your skin. It instantly brightens your skin and makes you one shade lighter and gives you that glowy, fairy-like skin. And it just takes 2 ingredients, potato and lemon. Take a medium-sized potato and make a smooth paste out of it. To that, add the juice of 1 lemon. Potato has this enzyme called, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm just going to put it up on the screen somewhere, which helps to brighten and reduce the dark spots on your face. And the best part about this mask is that you can use it under your eyes as well, because potatoes are great to reduce dark circles. So it's a 2-in-1 mask. Now let it sit there for half an hour and work its magic, and then wash it off with cold water. Okay, so I washed my face with cold water. Now after the mask, it is important to wash our face only with cold water because we want our pores to get closed and lock all the goodness of the mask inside our skin. So try this 3-step skincare regime at home and you'll surely see your skin get more healthy and bright. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button before you leave, and thank you for watching.